This is the newest addition to Triumph's A2 range, the A2 Street Triple 765R. Identical in every other way to the original Street Triple 765 with its Moto2 inspired performance and handling, this new A2 version has a revised 765cc triple engine with a lower 95 PS power output, meaning an accessory restrictor kit can then be fitted to reduce the power output to 47 PS to meet A2 licence requirements, and then removed once the full A licence has been granted. The Street Triple 765R is an impressive naked sports bike with an aggressive attitude, high specification components and a trademark triple soundtrack. And I'm sure this A2 version will be a welcome addition for A2 licence holders.